To change wallpapers on POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down and then we'll need to find the personalization. If you enter personalization, you can then click on the lock screen right here and then go into wallpapers. That way you'll be able to switch between different wallpapers for your lock screen, but if you select, for example, this one, it may apply this wallpaper for the home screen as well. If you want to use separate wallpapers for both, then you will need to select the wallpaper right here, for as I did a second ago, and move to the right to the home screen, and then click on this plus button. That way you'll be able to change the wallpaper for your home screen separately. So you can go for local photos or any of those photos right there. In this case, we're just gonna go for this one. And as you can see, if we apply it, we'll get different wallpapers for both of the screens. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.